Have you heard a lot of buzz about student loan refinancing, but thought about it and you're pretty sure it's not that good of an option for you? Today's video is going to be all about when student loan refinancing just isn't that helpful. Stay tuned. If you already have federal student loans with a low fixed interest rate, refinancing isn't going to be that helpful. The main benefit of refinancing is by getting a lower interest rate, you can save thousands of dollars on interest. But if you are already sitting with an interest rate of 3 to 4%, it's unlikely refinancing your student loans is going to give you a significantly lower rate. But refinancing does come with some negative trade-offs. Trade-off things like payment flexibility, the ability to get loan forgiveness, and sometimes important federal loan benefits. So if you're not going to get a significant interest rate reduction, refinancing your student loans isn't that helpful. If you're considering loan forgiveness at all, refinancing your loans isn't helpful, and in fact, it's harmful. Once you refinance your federal loans, they're now all considered private student loans. Private student loans aren't eligible for federal loan forgiveness programs like public service loan forgiveness, teacher loan forgiveness, or income-driven loan forgiveness. If you think you're going to use loan forgiveness of any kind, don't refinance your student loans. There is one caveat to this, and that's if you have a mix of federal and private loans already. If you already have private loans, there's no harm in considering refinancing those loans for a lower interest rate because they're already ineligible for loan forgiveness. But you want to make sure you keep your federal loans. If you don't have consistent income, refinancing is probably not helpful for you. Payment flexibility is one of the biggest benefits of federal student loans. They have a ton of payment options. You can do income-driven payment plans, which can make your payment as low as $0 a month and still qualify you for loan forgiveness. So if you have inconsistent income, you don't want to refinance your student loans because you're going to lose payment flexibility. Another time refinancing your student loans just isn't that helpful is if you're already struggling to make your monthly payments on your federal loans. It can be tempting to think about extending your repayment term via refinancing so you can have a lower monthly payment. But the thing is, if you're struggling to afford your loans, federal repayment plans and options for deferment are going to be way more flexible and keep you out of default much better than private loans that are refinanced. So what you want to do instead is contact your federal loan servicer and work with them to establish an affordable monthly payment and keep your loans in good standing. Don't default. If you're struggling to make your monthly payments on your federal student loans, refinancing isn't helpful because you lose out on a lot of federal borrower protections and payment plan flexibility. What do you guys think? Have you been enamored with the idea of refinancing only to look it up and see it's really not right for you? Let me know in the comments below, and if you liked this week's video, please hit that subscribe button. There's a new video every Wednesday. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!